Yo, what's up, y'all? Why am I distracted from me, bro? That is not my thing. View my channel. What do I got going on here? Live. Is this what pops up? I want to know. Is that what pops up when people see it? Hi, I'm a programmer. Can't wait for Mason to see the stream. It's gonna be so funny. It's just I'm lecturing. I'm listening. What the heck? Owen Hayes. Oh, I don't like the freaking picture. Can I take the picture off? Moderators. Select a stream. Refresh. What do you mean I don't see a stream? This one. Can I edit it right now? How do I take the... Can I take the thing off? Oh, look, this one don't have it. Why this one has it? Let me refresh it. Yo, 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 yo. 265. What the heck? Swap accounts. Go here. Whatever. I don't remember how to do it. Chat rate 1. Close. Okay. Alright, here's my plans. Start learning how to code. Alright, that's weird. Let me stop. Alright, I gotta learn how to code. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work on this Leetcode problem while it's in Java. I'm gonna find a crash course Java. And then pop that up. Start working on that. Yeah. Make sure 2 sums pop up. 2 sums is up. Everything should be working. Should have audio if I'm not mistaken. Should be working. Should have audio if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, everything's working. Chilling, checking the stream, making sure it works. It's 3 o'clock. I got work in 2 hours. Yeah, it's working. Alright, cool. Alright, here's what I'll do. How much percentage of that? 95. Let's leave it open. Background plain. Even posting. Okay, let's check it out. Alright. Given an array of integers, nums, alright, so some array named nums, and an integer named target, so some int target, return the indices of the 2 numbers such that they add up to target. So we're given some array. Oh, it's right here. So given some array nums that contains a bunch of integers and some integer target, return the indices of the 2 numbers such that they add up to target. So we're gonna leave. Oh, is this pointer? Is this what it's called? I actually didn't learn yet. You may assume that each input will have exactly 1 solution. may use the same element twice. So let's say 2 and 7, the target's 9. Output 0, 1. If 0 and 1 equal 9, we return 0, 1. So return. How do we return I comma boom? Let me think. This actually doesn't seem too hard. Example 2. Output 1, 2. Output 0, 1. Okay, so for and I equals 0, while I is less than nums dot length. We're gonna add to I, and then we're gonna open this up. So it's gonna go through each thing. Let me think real quick. Oh, I got paper. Let me think real quick. So we're gonna go through I each time, which that's gonna be in the array. We're gonna do, but what if we get to the end of the array? Wait, let's do constraints. The length is always above 2, or length is at least 2. The length is at least 2. At least 2. Okay, we're good. Wait. So y is less than 2. We're gonna do if nums at I plus so at I, so 0. If nums at 0 plus I plus 1 equals target, return this. Else, wait, don't I have to do 2 loops then? One with the J. So we do I. If we do I and J, we use I for the first number and keep it at that, and J for the second number. For J, for int J equals 0, while J is less than while J is less than nums dot length. Again, right? Nums dot length. We're gonna add to J. We got 2 loops. Don't remember how that works. So for I and J, so for J, this is going to be the first one. If nums I plus nums J, nums I and nums J equal target, Then we're gonna return how do I return this? Can I return a string? String law equals equals a bracket. This ain't right, is it? This is gonna be so bad. Plus I plus a comma plus, so this, whatever the number I is, plus whatever J is, plus whatever this is, and then we close it and we return log. Everything looks right. Let me kind of run it just to see what it does. Oh, it's returning. Okay, no, that's not gonna work. That makes, yeah. Return I comma J. Can I do this? Does this work? How do I return two things? Given an array of integers, nums, and an integer jar, return indices of two numbers. The indices of the two numbers. So what if we... I don't want to make another variable, but whatever. What if I make a array? That's not how you do it. Int array answer equals I comma J. That doesn't work, does it? You have to specifically add what you want in it. It's not how you make a list. Or wait, I'm stupid. Something equals new. I forgot how to do it. I'm washed. I've been coding for a few days and I forgot how to code. Shucks, man. This is a bad way to do it anyways. How do I make a list again? I did it. Let me see. Dude, I'm so washed. How to make a list in Java. No. So we do have to call new array list. Make one. List string make an array. Couldn't I do just return this? Return int array. Well, actually, I can't. Let me do it like this. Int answer equals. I forget that stupid syntax. I comma j. Error. Let's see. Illegal express. Oh, I'm stupid. Return answer. That ain't gonna work though, right? Because it's returning. Maybe. Oh. Is this for the for loop? Yeah. Return. Oh, I'm stupid. I'm returning the freaking return answer. Wait. Bro, I cannot remember how to program. I'm actually so stupid. I cannot remember how to program this. For this, if this, int this, and return this. This don't matter. This don't matter. Can I do this? Alright. Case 1 works. Output 0, 1. Output 0, 0. Output 0, 0. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It does work. It does work. Alright, let's do this, but right here equals 2. That don't work like that, do it? Does it do it? Yeah, new int 5. Okay, yeah. Where am I going? Where am I going? Is it with curly braces? Bro, I don't get it. Why? I do curly braces. Stupid. Alrighty. Some int this, and then we're gonna make answer become equals ij, and then we're gonna delete this. So if the answer is target, we're just gonna return this. Return answer. Else, we're gonna do thinking about Python. Thinking about everything. Alright. If the first thing plus whatever j is equals target, do this. Now if it does not, let me just do else if. Else, let's say target is not equal to target, then we're going to do j plus plus. Actually, wait. I don't need this technically, do I? Wait. What am I getting for this one? The output 0, 0. So if this, output 0, 1. So if I plus this equals target, what if it goes no it's not? Then we loop back through it, and then is it? No it's not 0 or 0, 1 was it? So tried 0, 0. Wait, I don't have to try 0, 0. That's a waste, right? I would never do 0, 0. It would be I start at this. Let me run this again. It'll be the same thing, I believe. How else would I do it? Can I not throw those in there? Do I have to add them? Wait, answer at j at whatever j is equals j. Wait, hold up. Dang it. Nums at j. So if target equals this, then answer at I equals nums at I. Wrong. This should be 0, and then this should be just j. So we should get 0 and then whatever j is, and then we don't need an else for no reason. And then we're gonna do this exact same thing. Wait. So we're gonna do this first. Check everything. And run it again. Index out of bounds for length 2. So we start at answer j. We never get to 2. Two. The length is 3. So for 2, I'd answer 2. Oh, I'm putting j. So if I get a -1 from it. Hold up. So the length is 3. No, it'll never get to 3. It'll do 2. Oh, the thing's only 2. So 0, 1. Answer is 0 and 1. Answer is 0 and 1. Okay. 2 is never in there. Okay. Okay, so we could just do this then, because we know it's only ever going to be at 0 and at 1. All right, there we go. I knew it. I'm figuring this stuff out. 0 and 1. Okay. Boom. Output 2, 1. Expected. Why is this one giving me the right answer? Expected 1, 2. So let's see. Trying to get to 6. So whatever this one is, that's 1. And then whatever this one is 2. It's quite the opposite though. Why is it quite the opposite? Our first thing is going to be whatever I is. I is at 0. Wait, couldn't this just be I plus 1? Right? Because why would I ever... Let's go. Runtime 0 seconds. Let's go. I knew it. Let's go. I feel like a genius. I actually feel smart for that on the I plus 1 thing. That was smart. Holy. My. Chicken pot pie. Alright, let me think. Let me make sure I understand it completely. So at I, which is 0, we're going to do this loop. So we're here. We're checking this one. And now we're going to check. So I 0 plus whatever j is. J is always one more adjacent to the right. Boom. And now we're making 2 adjacent to the right. And then 3 adjacent to the right. And now we're out of... We're not... J is less than the length, which is 4. So 1, 2, 3. Then we check this. Is it the target? Yes. We set this and return answer. Public int, so we are returning an array. Okay. Dude, this is crazy. I'm awesome. And I have this food I need to finish. But I can't. 49 milliseconds. Oh my. Wait. Why is this so long? Wait, is this my code? Code Java? This is my code. Yeah. Okay. Making a little bit of sense. Write your notes here. How do I get it? How do I... If... Hold up. What if I do something else? And then this one, Java, Python. Python one's crazy. Alright, this one works, which is cool. Let me think. If I do... There's gotta be a better way to do this. Instead of 2 for loops. What if we just do if this, and boom, we return. If the first two equal each other, like what if I do this instead? Or what if I just add this? If actually I could just copy this, so I'm gonna be honest. You're too far, you're on the wrong line, buddy. You're also on the wrong line. You're a backspace. Answer. It's hurting my head. Give us some room. So we have this. If this return answer. Why are y'all so far? Oh my god. Hold up. Can I just restart? There we go. Fixed all my problems. Answer. How do I do the for loop? I do it like this. Yeah. I don't know, man. Work. So if this, and then we're gonna return that. Else, we're gonna do this. Let me try this. Should be the exact same. Oh, I don't have the nums in the I. So if the first thing and the second thing. That means for I and J. Oh. So this works too, but this is more code, and I don't think it's much better. So if this, we don't have to go through all the loops, which saves us a little bit of time. Can't I just put a return in here? Can I just do return answer, and then over here just be like, oopsie, right out the for loop, bruh. Can I do this? Or is it gonna say missing? Ooh. Line 20. Yeah. Should be right. Brother, why are you like this, man? They should fix it, I think. Illegal start. Wait, what is this one? Oh, I put it one too far. God dang it. Is it in the right spot? That should be no. It's inside the thing to return. If I submit this, will it be as long? 45 milliseconds? Isn't that just what it was? Wait, solutions? Submissions? Oh, it's a little bit faster. Let's go. 4 milliseconds. Alright, let me think. Is there any way to make it faster? What if I did, if this just return, like what if I got rid of the whole everything else? What if I did, if this, return it, else if, add one to, what if I like declared an I and a J? What if I did J equals, no, we're not so good at that. Let me retry. Let me just get rid of this part. Might call a little bit more manageable. Else if, oh, let me do this too. I plus 1. There is I plus 1. Think a while loop would be better. Anyway, to solve it without a loop. Well, this is not target. Like, what if I did this exact thing, but while this is not equal to target, add 1 to J. While this is not equal to target, is a while loop the same speed as a for loop? While this is not equal to target, we're gonna do if this, do this. If this, then return the answer. Else if, I'm not 100% sure. How do I do it without a loop? I feel like that's the way to do it. Because, like, if the first and the second one add to each other, that's what we want to check first. We can just instantly return it. That saves us a few milliseconds. Else if, we could do the first thing to the next thing and just run it a couple times. Else if manually write a for loop. I actually don't know. I give up. I can't figure it out. I can't think. I know how to do these. Can I go back to this one? Is this the one that I was doing? No, no, wait. It was this one? Wait, what is this one? But couldn't I start? So instead of starting at else, couldn't I just do J plus plus? Because then it'll make me the second one over. No, I won't change it because it's just going to go back to whatever I is plus 1. Because I'm going through a whole thing for no reason. Right? Because I'm checking 0 and 1. 0 and 1. And then I'm rechecking 0 and 1. It's only one iteration, but how do I stop checking that 0 and 1? I don't want to do plus another one because then it's just going to throw it all off. Can I do a one-time one? Can I do this? Int j equals I plus 1, and then for int j plus 1. So 0, 1, 1, so it's add 2. So j said 2. Is that going to give me the right answer? Probably not. Because not a statement. J equals j, no? J equals j. Can I do this? Can I make this public? Public int. Shucks, man. Some integer j is 2, bro. Can I just say this thing is 2? J is 2. Why are you not picking up as 2? Alright, man, I could just do it here. What am I doing, bro? What am I doing? But then what is a runtime faster than 49? Wrong answer. I knew it. I knew that wasn't gonna work. Shoot, bruh. Shoot. I'm getting 2, 2. It's supposed to be 0, 2. 3, 2. Oh, it resets it back every freaking time. Do I add I to it? Plus I? Plus whatever I is? No, because then it doesn't work like that, man. It doesn't work like that. It's a trash way of doing it. 45 milliseconds. How, bro? How do you get it all the way? This isn't the 2-pointer method, is it? How do you do 2 pointers? 1 pointer's at 0, the other one's... I could check the end of the list and then go down, but it's just randomized, so that doesn't matter. I mean, it might for this scenario, for the 63 be faster going backwards rather than forwards, but then I don't know. You know, that was a good run. Do one more. Adding 2 numbers. It's a medium. Oh boy, here we go. I don't know how to do it. Definition. Wait, can I do it? What if I go to C++? Yeah, they're written different. You were given two non-empty linked lists. Okay, one linked list, the other linked list, representing two non-negative integers. All right, they're all positive. Does that mean 0? Yeah. You want to add them, it's looking like. No, you don't want to add them. The digits are stored in reverse order, and each of their nodes contain a single digit. Add the two numbers. Add the two numbers and return the sum. Huh? Oh, I'm retarded. It's backwards. Why would you do it backwards? So we take the the last thing and the last thing, add them together, but we put them forwards. 7, 10. Wait, stupid. 807. Shoot. Alright, this one's actually kind of confusing. Also, I'm just lazy. Roman integer. I've seen this one. It's kind of valid parentheses. Merge two sorted lists. You know what's screwing me over, man? I'm stupid. Merge the two lists into one sorted list. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So let's say we have 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4. We're gonna do 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Empty, empty, empty. If empty. So could we say if list 1 and list 2 do this? Does this mean they have anything in them? If the length equals 0. So could we just do if and list 2 dot length equals 0, return, what are we returning? Just return this one, because it doesn't matter. You get the same thing, right? Oh, it's how do I return a list node then? Right? Because this won't give me anything. It's gonna say it's missing return. List 1 dot length. How do we definition for single list? Integer val next linked list node. Shucks, man, I'm about to go read a book on how this works because I have no clue. And I got not a lot of time. I got 20 minutes. 20 minutes my name. Alright, whatever. Good enough. For now, let me eat something. You must write an O log in runtime complexity. I still don't know how to do that. I understand it a little bit because that's the one that curves like this. Are from y'all. Boom. I mean, I could go to Leetcode. Did I do this one? Bro, what? Bro, what? I don't even remember doing this. Did I do this? How do I go to my submissions? Oh, none. Given an integer array, nums, array of nums, so in brackets nums, I think the easiest way, okay. How do I get O of M? This is literally what I just did. Wasn't it? The two sum? And you add them together? We just have a J and a K. I can do it real quick. Me. Turn something. Public Boolean, return true for now. This is literally my best way of doing it. J equals 0. No. I plus 1. Literally what we just did. Sorry, I keep burping. If I equal no, if nums at I equal nums at j, then return true. Can I do this? Can I run this, or do I need a statement? Missing return statement. Where did I get rid of? False. It's returning true, bruh. So this is 0, and then this is 1. Boom. Boom. Now let's do 1. Why are you returning true? Why is this true? J is I plus 1. Let's see. Let me use the mouse. J equals I plus 1. So 0, this becomes 1. So we're at 0, and we go Is this the same? Is this the same? Is this the same? No. So now we try 1. And we go 1 over. Is this the same as this? Is this the same as that? No. We do the same thing here. Boom, boom. Now what happens if I get to 4? It's out of index range, right? What if I just did 1? What if I did 1? What happens when this is 1? No. Check the first thing, and then check all the other elements. Check the second thing, and check all the other elements. Is it saying 4 and 4 is the same thing? I have a feeling that's why. And maybe it's because I put J here. I'm supposed to put J here instead of... Shucks, dude. Maybe I gotta put J here, dude. Oh my god. I'm so stupid. Maybe that's why. I'm like, bro, this should work. Oh my god. Let me try to submit it. See what the 500 millisecond response time is. Oh, it doesn't say. We can use hash structure. Don't know how. Haven't learned it yet. I'm gonna though. Gonna learn it. Just not yet. Leetcode. I finished it. Contains a duplicate. Valid anagram. Oh, was this race car cares? What? Given 2 strings S and T, return true if 2 strings are anagrams of each other otherwise. An anagram is a string that contains the exact same characters of one another, but the order of the characters can be different. So do I do the same amount? So I'm assuming add... Wait, this is about to be crazy. Wait. 2... I mean, if this appears, add it to a thing. I actually have no clue how to do this. And check their equality. We can... Does the order of characters matter in both strings? Does the order of characters matter in both strings? No, just in one, but how are you going to check each one? Maintaining 2 separate hash tables? I want to know how to do this. I don't know how to do a hash table. And that's because I've been slacking. Alright. Well, let me do something real quick. Let me take this off so no one can see it, so I don't get doxxed. Java crash course. Wait, don't I have this already? I don't want to re-download the same thing over and over. Lesson, knowledge. Calc, car, class, peak, new shortcut, delete, YouTube, pie, school. What is a crash course in Java? No, I want a good one. Where's some good Javas? Java Crash Course book. Learn Java the easy way. Alright. 9 minutes, and then I gotta dip. Let's see. Learn Java the Easy Way by Bryson Payne. A hands-on intro to programming. Covers Java 8 and 9. Perfect. Learn Java the Easy Way. A hands-on intro by Bryson Payne. San Francisco Note Stars Press. Bunch of publishers. Interior design. Okay, about the author. About technical reviewer. What does that say? To Mom for always believing in me. Go with it. Love to see that. Acknowledgements. Intro. Getting started. Build a high-low guessing game app. Creating a GUI for our guessing game already. Creating your first Android app. Holy, this man is speedrunning it. Make secret messages a phone app to share with your friends. Wait, and that's it? Oh my. Debugging and avoiding common errors. Making bubble draw. Alright, well, I mean, why should I learn how to code? Introduction. Java is used in billions of devices worldwide, from mobile apps to desktops. Java powers the largest enterprises and the smallest personal devices. Students, IT professionals, and anyone considering a career in programming will find that they need to learn Java. As a computer science professor, I'm a computer science major, who has taught Java for almost 20 years, I wrote this book to help you learn Java the way I learned to code, with hands-on projects. I found that students learn best by building real apps and games, engaging, worth sharing. In this book, you make a simple high-low guessing game, secret message apps to exchange messages between your friends, interactive drawing app called Bubble Draw. No prior programming experience is necessary, but if you learn other languages, you can pick up faster. Why I should learn how to code? First, jobs. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, 7 of the top 10 is computing. Programmers are in demand, millions more, blah, 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 blah. But high-income job security aren't the only reason to learn to code. Coding is problem solving. The world needs more problem solvers who can write apps and connect with people, do these other things I can't see because I'm blind. Oh, that might have been worse. You can invent new forms of commerce and creating all these different things. Billions of people, Drew Schuster, founder of Dropbox, says coding is the closest thing we have to a superpower. He's not wrong. Coding is blah, 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 blah. Appreciate it, but I'm going to speedrun. Why should I learn Java? Java is considered to be the number one programming language. It's true. That in Python for several good reasons. First, it runs on virtually any type of device. Yep. The same Java code will run on Windows, Mac, or Linux, or a Pi, or an Arduino, or anything. Second, Java is used by companies to run some of the biggest enterprise applications. Blah, 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 blah. Third, Java is one of the most popular languages in colleges and universities. Whether you're coding a hobby, side hustle, doing this or that. Yep. It's a great for language. What's in this book? Here's a quick view of what we're going to be covering. In Chapter 1, you'll be guided through installing and setting up Java, Eclipse, and Android Studio. I think I have Android Studio. I do have Android Studio. And I don't have Eclipse. I have something really close to it. You also write your first Java commands using the JCell interactive shell. In Chapter 2, you write your first application. High-low guessing game, a text-based command line, blah, 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 between 1 and 100, higher or lower. In Chapter 3, you upgrade the guessing game to a Windows desktop application completed with graphical UI. Chapter 4, you build a first Android mobile app using much of the high-low game code from the previous chapter, which you. In Chapter 5, you'll add several finishing touches to the guessing game. In Chapter 6, you'll start a new program called Secret Messages app. Chapter 7, you're going to give it a GUI. Chapter 8, you'll make a mobile a mobile secret messages app with sharing functionality, which will allow users to share secret messages back and forth by email, text message, or social media with the touch of a button. Interesting. You create a visual application in the book, the Bubble app Draw, which allows colorful bubbles. You add animation to the bubbles and bounce it around and then draw. And then in chapter 11, you're going to use multi-touch. Finally, in the appendix, you find tips for debugging and avoiding common errors. What tools I need? You're going to need Eclipse, Android Studio. Yeah, but I think I'm using IntelliJ. You'll be ready to code real apps right away. Best of all, they're all free to download and use. To get started, all you need. Let me use real quick. Internet and a desktop. You got nothing to lose, everything to gain by learning to code. It's not wrong. The best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Whether you're still in school, considering embarking on a second career, the time to learn to code is now. Let's get started. I was like, man, why is my water so hot? It's right next to my fan of my laptop. I was like, man, that water is extremely hot. New Write can run on anything. Windows, Mac, Linux. You can tell Linux is the best one overall. This simple but powerful concept is one of the reasons Java has been adopted by individual businesses. Installing Java 8 and 9 for developers. The JDK is a version of Java for developers and programmers like you. The JDK gives you power to write and compile your own Java apps. We're going to start both 8 and 9. I already have both of them. Click the accept. It's got a radio button. Find the link for your operating system. Do all of that. Install Eclipse. I don't want Eclipse. I have VS and I got IntelliJ. That's fine. I appreciate it though. Eclipse IDE for you. Yep. Setting up the settings. Installing the window builder. I don't need that. Customizing Eclipse looks and feels. Yeah, y'all can do your own preferences. I got my stuff already. Installing Android Studio mobile app. I have it. Now we set up our program. Let's blah 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 blah. It's a great way to blah 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 blah. We can type a single line instantly. That sounds like pain. Working with Java expressions in JShell. Yeah. This looks miserable. Who codes in this? String variables. So numeric variables, string variables, printing output in Java. Hello, my name is. What you learned. Build a high-low guessing game. See. Now that we know how the game works, what we have to do is code it to work. 50 is too high, this is too low. Plan the game step by step. Let's think about all the steps we'll need to code our high-low guessing game. A basic version of the game, we need to do the following. We need to generate a random number between 1 and 100 for the user to guess. So I'm going to do this without looking. We're going to make 1 to 100, and that's the answer. And then we need to take in user input to see what they guess. And then we need to declare if it's right or wrong. And if it's wrong, we need to say, no, try again, and then keep track of how many times I got it wrong. If it's not, say, try again, I++. Yeah. Display a prompt. Accept the user's input, compare the two, they're high or low, display the results, prompt the user. Starting with the basic structure and on page 4. Create a new project. High, low, whatever Java you're using. Yeah. Type high, low into the blah, blah, blah. Okay, creating. Java is an object-oriented or an OBJ object. OBJ-oriented programming language. Object-oriented programming language uses classes to design reusable pieces of code. Classes are like templates to make it easier to create objects. So we use a class to make an object, or what's called instances of that class. If you think of a class as a cookie cutter, objects are the cookies. Cookie cutter, objects are the cookies. And just like a cookie cutter, classes are reusable. Use it over and over and over and over. High-low guessing game will have a single class file. New class high-low, the cap position matters. Naming the class high-low so from conventions is common for spaces, hyphens, or special characters. Finally, we can use keyword. Interface, you could do this though without it. The new Java class dialog will appear as shown in figure 2.4. Type high-low in the name field. Click finish. We'll write the guessing game program by editing this file and adding some code inside of it. Public class high-low. Public static void main to do auto-generated math stuff. Alright. I don't know how to do it. I could probably do it right now. Matter of fact, I don't know why I'm reading this. But I'm going to quit reading it because I got to go to work. So, yep. I'm going to log off. Hope everyone has a great day. I'm gonna be back either tonight or tomorrow. I got homework I gotta do, but tomorrow I should have some time to kind of program and write some stuff up. Should be interesting.